Great War is over. All you want is to return home, to a new republic, born in the heart of Europe. The escalating civil war blocks your path to the west, so the only way out is east, across the vast Siberia. Through territory disputed between the Red and White armies, prepare to fight your way to freedom. Explore war-torn cities, face challenging situations, and unexpected obstacles. Do whatever it takes to prevail, and keep your soldiers alive. Your train will require constant care and attention. Instruct your crew to manage the train efficiently. Deploy squads from the train to explore the surrounding area. Stockpile and trade supplies. Realize the train's full potential by unlocking new upgrades and enhancing its durability. You must survive the freezing cold. Keep going, or the suffering and loss of all those under your command will have been in vain. This is your last train home.